Hi guys, today I'm on the side where we have installed the SIGNERGY battery, which you can see on my back. I have already made a video on the how the SIGNERGY batteries, their features and benefit, about the companies, all the bits and pieces, safety features, and all the exciting features of the battery. I'll give the link in the description where you can check the video. But this time I'm on the practical side of things. I will show you how the battery looks like after the install. So let's take you to the battery. Our first SIGENERGY battery. So this is the hybrid inverter on the top, and there's a two battery module. One is 5 kilowatt and another one is 8 kilowatt. So look wise, it looks amazing. So these are the two meters which we have installed in order to count a PV power as well as the battery thing. So that's how the smart meter look like. You can check a gateway which we install with the SIGNERGY battery. This gateway is very powerful. It can give the power to the whole house and the blackout protection. So this is the systematic diagram, and this is the backup box which we have installed. So the electrician has moved the solar in this backup box, and the changeover switch is also installed. This is how this backup box look like, similar like a Tesla. So that's the inverter where this battery is an AC couple, which means it's only discharging the battery, but we can use our panels with this battery, with this hybrid inverter. This inverter is 5 kilowatt, and these are the two modules. The size wise, the both module is exactly same, but one is 5 kilowatt and one is 8 kilowatt. So that's the beauty of the battery. You can attach as much as stacks you can, and it's all gonna look similar. We can do 6 stacks on that. And this is the LED strip where you can change the lights and ambient according to your own mood and own taste. You can change these lights through the app. All the different features are mentioned on the app to change these lights as well. For the safety, we have installed this bollard so that the car won't hit the battery. Hopefully you have enjoyed this SIGNERGY installation video. You can check more videos on the channel. Till the time, thank you.